G-Mega Model C208 is a powerful air purifier. Antibacterial, anti-haze, and anti-odor. You may ask, is there a battery inside? The answer is no. Technically speaking, it's not difficult to add a rechargeable battery. However, appliances for cars have to be different from those made for homes. If you park your car under strong sunlight, the temperature inside can go as high as 80 degrees Celsius. Even a plastic bottle placed on a console can cause fire, not to mention batteries. Under high temperature, lithium batteries become very unstable and may explode. And with the battery inside, this purifier would not be allowed on planes. We offer two cables, car cigarette cable and USB cable. With a USB cable, you can connect it to a power bank or any phone charger conveniently. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Till the next video.